Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Hot as all get out in my garage today. You can see 95 degrees, so I'm going to try to make this short and sweet because I'm sweating like all get out. And plus, it's another KLEIN Tools. I don't want to feel like I'm just berauding you with this stuff. But I did want to mention this because I mentioned in my 20-in-1 impact, adjustable impact screwdriver video, you know, my wife went and picked this up for me at Lowe's. I hadn't had a chance to get to Lowe's yet to check out the KLEIN Tools selection. Able to finally go today, so I went to that section, found this screwdriver, saw that there for 40 bucks, and then sure enough, right there next to it, here's the Flip Socket Set 32933G, and it has the 9/16 socket on it. So I mentioned in this video that, and it was kind of disappointing to me that all the pictures, even the product description, had the numbers and everything listed out and the size you were getting. I was really, based on online, you were supposed to, with this 21 adjustable impact, get this flip socket set with it based on the pictures. And of course, when my wife brought it home, and then Jonathan had already sent me a message and telling me that it wasn't the case anyway, so I already knew it before she got it to me. But that was disappointing to me because I've already got multiple versions of this one. So I thought, well, at least if I buy this screwdriver, I'm going to get another socket because maybe I'm going to need a 9/16 someday. So they do have this by itself, and this is just a socket set, no handles, with that 9/16 for $19.99. I think they might have a version with a 7-in-1 handle where you can put it in like this, maybe for 30 bucks. My Lowe's didn't have that, but that might be an option. But that's not that adjustable handle, doesn't have bit storage, anything like that. And basically what it comes down to is there's two sockets different. So do you use 11, you can see there 11/32 green, and then a 9/16 orange on this one. So do you use 11/32 more, or do you use 9/16 more? You know, comment down below what you do, which one of those two sizes you run into the most, because that's what you're shooting for. But again, you have to buy this kind of separate, you know, so that kind of stinks. If you're going to buy it with a screwdriver, it pretty much comes with, you know, the 11/32 version. So if you need the 9/16, you're going to have to buy this just to get that size. I like having these just because for tool bags, you know, that's a lot less room to take up for. I get a lot of nut drivers, so I went ahead and bought this mostly just to have a 9/16 nut driver, but it gives me another shaft, so I can really go ahead and set one of these up. You know, since I always leave one on this version here, I can go ahead and set one up for whatever the second size is that I use the most, have it stored in my tool bag, you know, this way, and then that way I've still got all those versions right there that I can use, but I can pull out this quickly if I needed to do a 1/2 inch. I don't have to swap stuff around, all those kinds of things like that. I would really like it personally if Malco came out with more sizes. That's the whole reason why I have these to start with, is because I love the Malcos. So whenever I saw this KLEIN Flip Socket the very first time it came out, I wanted it because if I could have these in every single size like this, I'd keep these in my tool bag because these work really great in impacts. But for your screwdriver, you know, that's a lot of bang for your buck, a lot of good space right there. And let me go ahead and put on this 9/16 size on my screwdriver, because some of you may be wondering this too. If you bought this holster from Riley Knife and Tool in the last little bit, will it still work with that 9/16? Because that's a little bit bigger, you know, than maybe what that 1/2 inch one there is. But personally, I think they kind of made the base about the same. I think it's about the same size, but it does still fit in there even with the 9/16 flip socket. So appreciate everyone letting me know that this was a thing. Again, I wish I would have got it with my 20-in-1 adjustable screwdriver. That didn't happen, but I've got it in my hands now. So that's the 92933G. They have it at Lowe's. If you use 9/16, you might want to pick one up. But hope it's useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.